Hi all, welcome to the CA class. In today's video, we are going to discuss expected questions for CA Inter Corporate and Other Laws for July 21 exams. Now what we have done here is topic by topic. We have not only seen how topic has been tested in the past 7 attempts, but even the subtopic, for example, share capital and debentures chapter, transfer and transmission has been tested in May 18, buyback in May 18, again repeated in May 19, November 19, and again in Jan 21. So we have analyzed in depth how these subtopics have been tested in the past 7 attempts and how can this be tested possibly in the future. For simple reason being, in some topics questions are repeating, in some topics questions are not repeating. For example, if you look at topics like General Clauses Act and all, here hardly concepts have been repeated. Definition of immovable property tested only in May 18, never tested so far yet, because there are so many new concepts yet to be tested. In latest Jan 21 exam, they tested definition of government. So we can predict that since there are some more topics yet to be tested, they will be tested now going forward. So based on this, for every topic, we have prepared a summary for each topic, what can be expected in July 21 exams. So now before I get into explaining to how to read this document and how to proceed with your exam, some information I would like to share with you. First, for the previous attempt for Jan 21 exam, from the expected questions, out of total 92 marks, 31 marks only came, but the simple reason being our questions were very limited. But this time I have increased the scope and I included even past exam questions in this summary chart. That is one. Second, one more information I would like to share with you is in the YouTube channel, we have shared some following videos for free for you all. CA Inter Group and Accounts quick revision videos for your exam. CA Inter other laws revision videos. Other laws some people generally tend to skip. So those revision videos and both groups accounting standards detailed and revision videos are available in the YouTube channel. Link for that is also there in the description of this video. Also disclaimer, please don't study only this for your exam, but give importance for this. Reason being, I will explain to you now how this analysis has been done. It is not just a guesswork. There is some kind of trend analysis done over here. And also sharing details of upcoming batch of corporate laws for November 21 exam. I'll be handling corporate laws for November 21 exam. Batch will be starting in mid-July and will go on till mid-August. Daily 3 hours in the morning. These are the fee structures. Link for this also is given below. Now coming back to our pattern here. Now, since I already told you about General Clause Act, let's go to interpretation of statutes. If you look at the trend right from May 18 till Jan 21, except for one or two topics like good faith, most of the topics have not been repeated. So if you come to the summary chart over here, what I have done for interpretation of statutes is I have included those topics here which are yet to be tested, plus those topics which are already tested that might be tested again. For example, Hayden's rule has already been tested, but I feel it might be tested again. So I've included here. Some topics which are yet to be tested also I've included here. For example, elements of what is a document has yet to be tested. That is included here. Same way for all the other topics. Let us go for one more topic for me to explain how it works. Let's go to share capital and debentures chapter. If you look at this companies like share capital and debentures, except for topics like buyback and bonus shares, majority of the topics are yet to be repeated. If you look at this, only buyback was repeated once in May 18, May 19, November 19 and Jan 21. Bonus shares once in November 18, November 20 and November 20, both the attempts, including the main exam, and in some areas in India, because of cyclone, they conducted the exam again, and even in that attempt. Apart from that, all the concepts have been tested only once. For example, section 52, securities premium only once, issue of share at discount only once in the latest attempt, and one more time before in November 20 and Jan 21. Keeping this in mind, I have prepared over here in share capital chapter what can be expected this time. Rights shares and shares with differential voting rights might repeat. Debenture issue provision, very important because they have yet to be tested and there's an amendment area, highly important for your exam. Then sweat equity shares yet to be tested, redemption of preference shares yet to be tested, reduction of share capital yet to be tested. So those concepts which are yet to be tested are included here, plus those concepts which are important, already tested are also included here. One more topic, let's take for example, management and administration, important topic for your exam. If you look at this, again, except a few important topics like notice, explanatory statement, and quorum. Many concepts are yet to be repeated again. There are a lot of new concepts which are yet to be tested here. Concepts like adjournment of AGM, voting, then EGM related provisions, tribunal power to call general meeting, all these concepts in your new syllabus yet to be tested, annual return section 92. So high chances for these to be tested. So I've included these new topics plus some old topics which are already tested that might repeat, like explanatory statement and special notice, quorum, etc. Now, for some topics, some chapters, if you take like deposits, most topics are already tested. So repetition will start. But for some topics, repetition will yet to start. Now, to look at something interesting over here, if you go to Negotiable Instrument Act, everybody gets scared of this act. Everybody gets scared of this in their own study. If you look at this negotiable instrument, from the beginning, May 18 till Jan 21, they have tested 20 different concepts. Hardly any concept, hardly just one or two times concepts have been repeated. Always new concept have only been tested. If you look at Jan 21 exam, all the three concepts, section 80, 86 and section 29, never tested new concepts. So for Negotiable Instrument Act also, what I have done, some concepts which I feel are important, I have again included here, but majority of them are these concepts yet to be tested again or yet to be tested at all. So I've included this over here, like liability to third parties, all these topics yet to be tested. So I've again included them over here. So same way this is done for all the chapters. If you look at indemnity and guarantee, agency, if you look at the chapter agency, all these concepts are yet to be tested except one or two. I've included these because they might come again. So this is how you have to read this document. In this expected questions, all these concepts points are those which are yet to be tested so far. For example, last time I had mentioned here internal audit, which was tested in the exam. Cost audit yet to be tested in books of accounts. So you can give more importance to cost audit this time. Apart from that, some concepts which are already been tested, I'm also including them over here. For example, direct responsibility statement has already been tested once in the past. XBRL provisions also has been tested once in the past. So I again included this in the expected questions topic. So this is how you have to read this document. I have also shared this as a PDF link in the description of this video. You can refer to this to prepare for your exams. All the very best for your exams. Thank you.